no, one take you one more time, one more to one more as an echo. But sister, bra, so super home. I mean, so I didn't cry me a calculation. No, 2 sisters, 2 wives, 2 dates, 2 towns equals to Tupac. I am fair on tour. Pacho to boase moto ne bi dwane ye mpese obeku hu. I want to see you 2026. The yetimi ehia na ya maseda de. Uku hu ebe ha me. Why? Pacho. Menye sa. Enkomon ketenkete part 3. Me pese me busa Ghana penny for say I biano say yema obi adwuma na nipa ne bu president animtia sa nipa no ye ndey Peter say president or John Mahama ama adwuma bi say ye na say wo bu president na animtia say wo mfa ni die ma no say wo ye obi a wabo odin say be ye adwuma ma no I say your day. I say in a day, yes, sir. Tis a sandy parrot to one ye in a day another naba. Nay, didn't sir. Hey, Nanado, a man woman who say, so we a minister no tria, yen reshuffle. Minister utria. There are person who says, Umutria the same. But I say, hey, Minister, we, Utria Bruta. What do I have a heno? I'm so wow. Utriampa. Minister, sir, Umutria. You could do and as usual of me, when himself from 18th, there could be an Ayana Mishada to me, Boasisa. Na yet me the every na fino ayakono. Enema baako mienu bi ekoso ewo memu ha ebusuafo mebe bobo enipa bi din na maka kire mo wato ho asese sede ade no ye dro no kono lai wom befia wote attorney general ni asamo kan ye about Ofori-Atta say Ghana for ye ya sore na ye tim say ye mfa Ofori-Atta mra because omodi abrantie bi ko ene ya san be chi abotre card ne ko asem no kan ye ni nyina no the opese o chi nyina ne say Ofori-Atta onye mfomso bia. I forwarded it to the producer bo Ghana for mo amotebrofo no munyi mo asum na muntie John Dramani Mahama na attorney general no ti se be catch o say nanado ani aban we negotiate wo mu di nkomo sa ade bia Ofori-Atta ye mfa nche na wuti attorney general wi a maka to se me nka asem kwa ansa na mebie ma no ye aka asem no na minim dia meka age wo ye wadwen se wo kokota wo promise judge se wo be man promotion on say judge on say promotion yan fama be cause why high court judge ase wo ye ameka mu ntro na date nto 18th December me ba be kire mu judge ye promise in 2024 say ye be promote to from high court to appeals court judge would that high court wo be ka ho let's say my promotion now Metro petition.
Captain Smart. The king.
Now the videos and pictures I will just go.
He is smart. He is unique.
Me more judge
He is the best.
Dad.
Captain Smart is
Ada.
the king.
Kromha. Mete say wo. When your promotion. Now your mouse so free high court. Aqua appeals court. Metro petition against you. Now the videos and pictures. Aka ho. I'm a Ghana for who say, which is Jessica, because you were promised that you be promoted. Yet say my na your appeals court judge. See what any general Tino.
There has been a lot of talk on both mainstream and social media regarding what is happening.
Hey, pause it. Pause it. Any probably a lot of talk. Some politician catch us a lot of talk. Or person catch us all your kwasia. So who the man catch that one ne? Some politician. Ebien anu catch us say. There has been a lot of talk. Or person catch us a war. Who na wuti or no na o kasa no. Talk na ye kasa. Any pagana for kasa inanu. Sabi ye kwasia for. I say there has been a lot of talk about the air coso. Kasa bebre. Air coso or the air coso no twaso.
There has been a lot of talk on both mainstream and social media.
May I say mainstream no yeah. Here TV so, radio so, and social media no twaso.
What is happening? All right. In a nutshell, the processes have begun for the request to be made.
Okay, pause it. Or say, in a nutshell, no. Sir, somebody in area and say, Teo, Wamu ya shasiye. Processes had begun. Sabro funo kan en say, yewie. Wamu ya shasiye. Kwenya wo faswa. Wode Ofori-Atta beba. Yedi afe ewa bem. Abai we nim kwenya obefa so a ode Ofori-Atta beba. So what it means is that even red alert na omu issue ye no na John Mahama ne na ban e da Ghana for bibini ayalo bibini enipa o ojai because negotiations are koso nkomodi e koso munja ken mayen mo betimi di obi a e be ma nkrofo na mo yusu o mo de mo makogu jail ba ken de e pamacho ojai mo ti obi a munja ken mo de mo ti obi a mo pesa mo che no ba ken de munja no police atoaso nya me na make o e brofo.
The request to be made to the American authorities.
I see a fair
when doing it.
Na ya tro na ya ni America akasa request any plea order difference womb. I am requesting that Captain Smart will be asked to travel to Kumasi tomorrow. It's a request. It's an honorable plea. My plea that the theater go be made to read the news until she's no more. Difference womb. I am ordering management. And also difference womb. Extradition. The new request our extradition. Don't catch us some attorney general. There's no extradition request or extradition plea. There's always an extradition order. So what is request? What is plea? Abaiwe any Akufo-Addo negotiate. Abaiwe Nanado oni Abaiwe negotiate. Twaso.
Extradition, you cannot make a request unless you have a solid case, a docket that has been built.
But I say pause it. Or say it's asasi so you know. Won timi nkase wo kasa yemfa obi mfi abrochire mra the person refer to Ofori-Atta say yemfa ken Ofori-Atta mbra Ghana wa bra won building case wuni assembly antia esese ye de ken Ofori-Atta ba enti Ghana for the etie ne say eye dada akra na John Mahama ban yen enti the etie ne say aban ni case bia a washa ase say oyo won she ase every January 7th ebesi na 18th December SSA will build a solid case. What it means is that aban way on to build a solid case against Ken Ofori-Atta. What do you mean here? Negotiations are koso. Omo negotiate. Peter, make some way NDC for pound bet challenge na ba ko metra. Sika MPP for tuama NDC mpani for bi won. Sika ko for tua wo krom ha no. Sika enkrofo etiatia e wo krom ha no. John hu o. Wada ba wo nan gu abonten. Your so-called ministers, your so-called appointees, they are taking money. Wamu jitefa, wamu jijiska. Dollar, city, pound. Because Attorney General na catch and say wa catch them crofona umedi bonne say wamu mra ne negotiate anamboa. Na sa woni criminal e negotiate a ada na de oje obi mobile phone na wo secret no woni negotiate de we aban sika asesa Ghana japade afa koti kwan so ama omanya sei no onu ye ne negotiate but you kwotwa obi board there pe because e come de no wa bra Yesu Kristo kra ko bi obi aburo Yesu anka nche buro wura nura ye chi Yesu no Yesu e kada ke be bun se kromfo e Bible gwen Yesu on man say come do na kofa de a ene enya hwe bibini how can we say that our judges are aware says obi ko twa obi aburo obi twa obi board ya sa ni pana ye come to no ko twa he me ye na tumu and the Attorney General's office and the Jupo judicial police one is sa ni pana ko twa obi board ye no ana de owi obi mobile phone no en negotiate say eye den na ko fa board ye no o say come na dem en ye board ye wura ye pacho man be ye quarter of an acre no ndia board ye for from am na branch in fa no nkodi na obi akotwa obi board ye akukọ ba akopẹ na judge etimi atena konwama ka kire say the intent adwene na wa branch ni tirim a ode ko chi akukọ no na sound obi o chi akukọ dance 12 years bibini na judge etimi atena konwama ka say wonim say akukọ ni timi bon kokroko e me ye ina ye timi te na ye timi asore na anye late ankọ adwuma judge a wuti otikuma say na judge otenkran kokroko ba ntama akukọ obeda na judge oti yisle gon obete Kokroko akukọ obon bantama na jaja oti islegon obete ni ye dia kwana kwotu 12 solid years John ade na shase interpret we me yan shase o in some me broso after Christmas no me metwa ko me do nyame me maka do say me man 1 year anamwa 1 year no so say 24 kasa afin cheba say ya mpa 7 January ya John na 1 year na so me dey sound me go abontin o me ka kire mo no bi ada no ho so me say January we be reshuffle. But the point is that as I say ama wu niam bi say eniam bi kwaso asase so a yenya yete akire no perception is a key thing in governance. Perception is a very key thing in governance. And John, if you are not careful, perception will become reduction. Anytime you fail to deal with perception, it becomes reduction. Listen and listen good. anytime as a politician you fail to deal with perception, that perception becomes reduction. And when your fame, your favor is reducing, that is when you will come to appreciate the fact, say, the people that voted for you, they are not fools. They are not fools. Say, we are Ghana Sikadia, you know, negotiate. Me prefer Fiat go mobile phone, no negotiation.
Someone here, someone here.
Said the MPP for Bob, my way for no NDC for no. They are paying, and you know they are paying. I know they are paying. We know they are paying because the Attorney General says let's negotiate. Come and let's pray bargain. Mafia, who could do me a bargain and the teacher say, "Yeniano bargain." Brofo. Gaining what is in the bag, and yet English word, a Latin Hebrew word. Gaining what is in the bag. Adena yedia shebno, who ye bibi wo hon, na say ye free. And your friend bargaining. And to come, let's do a pre-bargaining. Mobi ambu and say, te no. Sada tiene, ye ate. It is our Attorney General catch us say MPP for na area sika who abokro no one bra for pre-bargaining. What it means is that the people will gain whatever was put in the oral bag. Yenim de ekoso John. Ba ekodi bro yentra mato mebo sa ano. Anka be yete se ma.
Ghana.
Producer to aso. Attorney General na kasa to aso. Aseme na ba.
Not make a request unless you have a solid case, a docket that has been built.
Okay.
And
or say, as a a solid case, maybe a solid camera follow us. Yeni Abreu. As a solid case and a docket that has been built. Mamin cho sabro funum. Or say as a sama. Who bet me the jinaso? Ama Ofori-Atta Ghana. Na afei. And yes, a case keku, case and so wom, case a wound jinaso, case and no she, and then number two. As I say, would we build a docket? Docket in the say, Yababo Mafia Quadu, so I fuck Captain Smart iPad. Yababo Afia Quadu, so I fuck Captain Smart mobile phone. And to say, I'm no Casagana from Yimasunamute. Case and I had the court and I can flatter the woman, but I solid case.
Ghana for watching no.
So-called Office of the Special Prosecutor. Or say, or the Ofori-Atta and 7 and all 6 others. All others being equal. At the one court, Ofori-Atta didn't come. It is a Attorney General Baba Kachina was say, I respect the Office of the Special Prosecutor. I honor his autonomy. And then, Attorney General, OSP, when we starting to quite maybe catch us say, hey, hello. Kisi Jabe, any Dominica Yeni, hey, hello, hey, lie, and Tokwa. When we said that, we say, when we kuna, NDC for every year kodi, hey, Dominica Yeni, na MPP for every year kodi, Kisi Jabe, na ye Ghana for near much as ye Kwasia for.
Ghana for watching no.
Eti sana kisi Jabe case na e court no enye solid case any substance
watch it by ye.
It is Attorney General say or person a building docket enye stronger the Office of the Special Prosecutor they court no mpacho and where there la ilaha illallah bismillahir rahmanir rahim anshadu Allah Producer to aso.
Case of the Americans, the practice is for you to have filed charges.
Okay. Pause it. Or say, answer na between the obi. If the America didn't bagana hano, as a say filing charges. Against any panel person on the bano. Charges in charge. Kwakumcham, Mamin charges in an say. Yadwako post station. And a post for ball do say, why a bonny way, why a bonny way, why a bonny way, why a bonny way, and one no charges and it's abro from can and no.
Watch you know.
And office of the special prosecutor, or the Ofori-Atta court, and yes, civil suit, and a criminal suit. Yay! And it's a who file charges. Maybe some more attorney general. No, me say NDC for GGC Cafe MPP for me na make. You are taking money. MPP for the chair. NDC for the so J. Me na catch now say me nsuro no kure kan. Enti woni me na ma ye careful. And when I'm in papa penny me na me frame afia. And I'm in papa penny ni tin kam. And a JB. Abante be frame papa no. Abante bo me dia na papa be phone two speaker. I say captain I'm say yes sir. I say listen. And ni pa de car and some Ebam. We are no catch and say I will call you tomorrow to my office and I will invite Captain Smart also to come. So you can say this before Captain Smart. I say, oh, boss, this is not what I'm saying you. What I'm trying to say is that, you see, I heard it from, I said, no.
Ghana for.
Time now, who Casano. One can't let me say, who could tell you, baby. What's a war now, who can, wouldn't be the old country, a channel, Captain Poor Juma, my friend about my office. Now, what's what about Honorabe Yano?
Watch it, Brian.
Sabe best started Faber was we. Now, branch and Pacho, who are begging you here. Where the man can't know. Now, Papa the catcher will come, say, Captain is here, talk to him. Can't wire to say, it's a mampum, dear. Wait. Usro no kreka aya membe wano me say NDC for no Jessica FMPP for edi bone ho they are paying we are Ghana ni amwani na ho na nkrofo ni tua na nkrofo no so je and you see SSA wutimi charge ni pa no umbo ma afia kwadu patron there office of the special prosecutor and the court like an Ofori-Atta can hold. And the South Quadu no, and why you quadu be ya, attorney general.
Yeah, take this one, say,
hey, I would have did a young coupon.
Wait, Ghana for.
Producer Twaso.
So, for instance, when Kofi Boateng, when we extradited Kofi Boateng, Kojo Boateng, to the US on the request of the Justice Department.
Okay, pause it. Or say. Kojo Boateng na ye be fa no krom ha sa branch na o mo de kwa America. So we didn't crofo money no. A Justice Department of the United States of America, America for atemwo aseye. And a truck krata ba say ye de kwadu enya abono. Meanwhile, Kojo Boateng no e Ghana ni anaso no America ni.
Mayana manye.
Kojo Boateng no o America ni anaso e Ghana ni. Me bu sabi ni. Eti ye de kwadu aba branche no enu ti ye be fa ne fi Ghana ye de ne koi se kwadu ne ye no kre se kwadu no nye no kre ya bo no kwadu nti se ye be fa ne ko pa to ken Ofori-Atta ya bo no kwadu ana se ye mo no office of the special prosecutor abo no kwadu so no ni panson ese so yi nsem bia no afri se won abo man kro no but attorney general say ken Ofori-Atta yentimi mfa ne ma Twaso.
The Justice Department actually sent me what they call the bill of indictment.
Okay, yeah. Or say, Justice Department of the United States, that's a bill of indictment. They're trying to say, yeah, the baby to a branch and a swat, a bafia swat, just say, as I say, I didn't bafia. You're from the American, you didn't ask him. In Patron, the office of the special prosecutor, and the ato a year can Ofori-Atta sono. indict Ken Ofori-Atta na say indict no. Ana no I got amunsuo boda ni na benom. Wow. Wow. John Dramani Mahama, you got to be careful. You got to be careful. Me instruct no crack cow. It's one of them you're careful. John, this is dangerous. Pacho, producer to us.
All right, that's the charge. Those are the charges. They sent me the charges, the supporting facts, and everything. And ladies and gentlemen, they spent 6 years investigating the syndicate of criminals that included, Kojo Boateng.
Me da say pause, producer pause. Yeah, it's attorney general catches investigators. I'm going to Jimmy. Attorney General say, Office of the Special Prosecutor. What do you mean? I'm not the one saying it. You see, Attorney General say, ladies and gentlemen, of person would say, once say, America for the influencia, and a year shemu, ye cry at the Nabrum Fiancia, can operate or the influence what and this answer who know, and I'm one. Some of the documents are. Office of the Special Prosecutor, they call court, it dated back to 2019, 2020, 2018. For 2019, 2018, Fabra Abesi 2024, and if I see 2025, me patron says me anya me photo, mo bia tape am njanchen. I am doing my show. It's your responsibility as a camera person. Don't disturb me. Me ya baduma. I'm me fa ho. Obi an from Pentecost platform. Entity. If 2018 me fi kan 18, from Sabra 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Enti ayemfie so Sa America di mfie nsia na ehwehwe Kojo Boateng asemu a ye de ne mfie so. What is the attorney general talking about? Play bargaining ampa. Yendi anu ampa. Ye bedi anu. Ye di anu. Wow. Wow. Pacho, Twasu producer.
6 years. All right. So the point that we have made, that my deputy made, is that without a docket, we cannot make the request.
Okay.
So we are still waiting for the docket. That is all I can say for now.
Producer. What's the crowd? I can't from the master Mabafu. Maulepe. Or say, Attorney General say, docket be a new ha. Ghana Baya John Mahama Dano. On to be droshy. May am fa. Can Ofori-Atta ma. Mafia. Dimacho, because I number bedroom, Jamie. I tell you, producer, question some boss abro for me. Or say, are you ready? I catch me. Attorney General say, some moment to be in your docket. And ya, some of the bets here can Ofori-Atta. What would be the request to be a say, you fucking Ofori-Atta. Wow. Wow! Auntie Chesa, now say I don't catch ya. Oh, yes, say, you go 40. No, that's a sort of two on party 40 at home. Johnson, yeah, we cry at the Mahama system. I just, yeah, Sunday at Tete. Hey, I need to for the cracker. But it's already, Anna. Afa, bo.
Kojo Boateng, 6 years. All right. So the point that we have made, that my deputy made, is that without a docket.
Pause. We are not. Also, the point that we have made, we need to say, yeah, now you want NDC cabinet in him. Cabinet is Mahama Dano. But you need to not take me. Near who's been America. cabinet no Mahama na da no we no constituency organizer nka ho
me da tifu nyina senya
mpacho we no central region NDC chairman Professor Sedu onka ho we no ban na cabinet John Mahama na da no Jena no Opoku Adjuma nka ho vice president we no and on Sabeka, my deputy, meaning that we for no and we na wie. Okay. And yama, you are not director yakwana ketwan say, wona kwana kwaka. Boss. Those are the we are rulers out. We don't have control. I just get it. Just make it. We are not deputy this day. To producer.
We cannot make the request. So we are still waiting for the docket.
I say we cannot make the request. We cannot, producer, we cannot make the request.
Cannot make the request.
We cannot make the request.
So we are still waiting for the docket. That is all I can.
It's the Attorney General say, want to be making requests to be as a Ofori-Atta. They are still waiting for the docket. But who are you waiting the docket from? Why necessary the docket? Because yet the global number catches a multi oral operation recover all loot. And I'm the former Auditor General Dominic Domlevel. Any Raymond Acha Ekoka home Martin Pebu come clean. Martin. Somebody should tell Martin Pebu any Kofi Boakye that they should come clean. Something is happening. We want to understand. Now, and let's say oral no ya seiska ya say adaje ya bok Canada Japan kai kwabra bokagu Carafo ya bokagu kwabra but duty abeti Akufo-Addo mimi happy kwabra ya bokagu
Mama Mistiano
it's not say oral no and say hunu amebobra bi ama he John Mahama Mahama napo na si aye ne tia te so ba bia ne ho ba napo Onapo. Asa woro ko ni ba na ho ba. Onapo. Ambulance for so na. Onapo. Eti say osere. Ya bokagu. Gana for ya bokagu. Producer, Twaso.
I've read everything that has been said by the OSP and his office. I respect his office. I respect the autonomy of the office and so.
Attorney General and phone in fani nto ho na nyame na meka hu no bi anka se makofa audio bi na mebo eyono a ama obi akoka hwe mu Attorney General no we
cannot make the request. So we are still waiting for the docket. That is all I can say for now. I've read everything that has been said by the OSP and his office. I respect his office. I respect the autonomy of the office and so on. Okay, but we
OSP to who are the onunkasai. Wuna we Attorney General no. I respect his office. I respect his autonomy. I respect his dead. You are the president to make and say, majority chief whip and the majority leader. At the end of my filing, Peter today, our parliament, I just say, on person most scrappy office of the special prosecutor, John Mahama see guy. While redraw Originally, Attorney General say, I respect the office, I respect the autonomy, I respect. What papa we kuntokwa wo Attorney General. Dominica Yeni, when Kisi Jabi, kuntokwa. Yen scrappy. Why we Attorney General? What we are drafted? Nkrata yen fan kwa scrappy. Afedie, mu negotiate pre-bargaining. MPP for the Cheska and this for the soldier. MPP for the Chado and this for the soldier. Hey, what is Obia Sambela Manapu? I don't tell them Yoku. Napo report to Yoku. I don't tell Napo. Yanchin Nobia Sambeli Mano. But Professor Christopher Amiwekumfi, Sika Papa UNDB. No ye mistake transfer. Ekoma Ofori-Atta say Ofori-Atta say yen transfer mara or transfer Sika no coin. Papa Kokra or dema no nyobi akra nsan beli mano. Say na po debi okọ yoku. This was said by him. Napo say all the car badge was a power badge. John Mahama. Ekofafi UAE. Edibesi ha $20 million. Or tabadiana free ha. Afria fakuma ha. Akwakumasa 45 million. The odifri abroche ba here 25. John Mahama no dey adifri abroche ba here no 25 million pe. Na po tabadiana finkran. Adi akokumase $45 million. Na poko yoku negotiation pre-bargaining ndiyentime nche na po. MPP for the Cheska and this for no soje. Hemi they be me catch up. Me for be your time in once a month. They be sorry at your pemasem. Me wa time in minimum. Me politician be any Ghana how pemasem. Nti me politician be and a captain judgmino na they away no anyam fe. Me say politician be and pemasem okuma. Me I know. Both NDC and the MPP, I know you don't like me. I have full respect. You think I don't know? I know. It's me no ya dia ma dream da ho. Me nye Jimmy fo. Oh, ada ponche ni be wu no. Ani be wu tenten. Eh, me nye Jimmy fo. Ma dream da ho brutal. It's politicians I wish I cat no MPP ni sha cat yeah. Don near makode. Me nim say mu nyina, mo mpem asem I know.
Ye Captain Smart.
Sawusha minister no catch us say ukura wo si dan tem won kan den no person kire kamenya kwasea na me fe wura tumi na mo dey ato social media na mo dey asere me abuwa to no metimi fie aya betumi
Da pipi ni grab e
mo ga say am presenters no
aseme grab
o me no sika road road so me me fa mo dey road road so bisa gas dey nim na to da kra afra me amemfa me bobo me sika no abaji uba sika me bobo me sika no dey attachment I say oh abaji uba
me dati fu nyina se nyame
because we say politicians say wo krom ha no wo me bad
me dati fu nyina
MPP for the Triasika NDC for no so J
ma hwehwe wache
Ojai.
producer to aso
ma hwehwe wache
and
General Department cannot begin an extradition request with a bare letter. We need the evidence to be able to do so.
I say, yes, we track that idea with a bare letter. Attorney General describing letter. A bind better say a bear. Wow. Hey, and this is for. That's how I'm saying. Oh, and we know we are for. Attorney General describing letter. You see, this is what I call futuristic. Deception, futuristic description. Say, background, say, buying a better crat, a just, case bear.
Wait.
Crat, Abia, buying better, say, young fucking Ofori-Atta Mrano, a tra. Because I buy your queer do and find more can Ofori-Atta. Producer, see. But I say, maybe I transmit. Producer, police are extradition order not so from America. It's a bail of indictment, it's a bail of extradition. Final to TV so. Nyankai. Attorney General, 34 nyanara kong presenters no. Nyabi ni yeti ha no. MPP for the TSK, then this is for the soldier.
Me that you for na say nyame chiro bia rade mo bia na 150 years.
When you are an attorney general and you speak like this, now person what say? Anti Samuel Okujato. Sa de na we are na Banasha Katida Okujato. Sa Obwa, you are part of cabinet. Adelaide. Eti Attorney General Crab Ghana for as a foreign affairs minister Samuel Okujato Ablakwa say pam no because they hunu no about say bail of indictment refers to the process where a person already under indictment formally charged with a serious crime by a grand jury seeks release from bail by meeting the court's condition, often involving money or a promise to await trial. If out on bail, when indicted, it's often continued. If arrested after indictment, a judge decides on bail, considering risk to public safety and flight risk, with the goal of ensuring appearance in court while respecting the presumption of innocence. So what is the Attorney General talking about? Some Attorney General, no? Then a person. MPP for the Triasica. Then this is for the soldier. MPP for the Triasico. Then this is for the Sujio. Pre-bargaining. MPP for the Triasico. I said, come to bell, neighbor. MPP for the Triasico. Now, NDC for no Suji. MPP for the Triasico. NDC for Suji.
MPP ni.
Me pedo benya kukudro so ba betra ha ayabra ba pon sama ma Kristo Yesu aye kodi the convention
eho ye me hipa sa boy be
ene ma ekoso no nya o ene ma na ekoso no enya o there's a way of managing deception. If you want to deceive me, manage it. Never, ever paint it right before my eyes. No, what do you say? Sabe me. Wow, boy, yeah, boy. Ghana for Matamasum. Come on, kete part 4. And then my mayor father also. Mayor come on kete.
Watching.
Ye di bro nyanti ma to me boase.
Watch braye.
Ye di bro nya ti na my slow sa no. E pese mi busa se. Say ye ti o man mu a ye buga na man no. Say nkrofo bi ye niam bi a enya. Then ese sa ban ye.
Ojai.
Me fi a win him say. Commander Sugar Factory. Ama budget him.
Ojai.
Because when they share one sir, they were given 8 weeks.
Ghana.
So I'm sure report mra o man to me antro.
Ghana for.
One so we hear some other weeks so I expire Commander Mahene. Decision be obey be a support.
Captain Smart.
Vice President, where a strategy said be go anymore say. Jena no pokwa me would make control plane. Woman who said Mahama respected her, and I want to appreciate the president the way Obu Mameno, the way you see respected Jane as the vice president. Not because say Mameno your penny channel. But we are penny chair me could have vice and but what you share the way John Dramani Mahama see respected Jena no Pokwajimana. That is enough. Anything ama Jubilee House hono asumdwe wo ho it be any Jubilee House tension be any Jubilee House. My Excellency, one way cow press or vice president in the way she no. Ministers don't come for no. They don't respect her. A strategy. About the saying. That is the only factory. A war or no vice president in the region. Yeah, by there. Commander Sugar Factory, which was started by NDC in 2016. They completed in 2016. Say, answer na yeah be kind budget no. Omo na watch me and 9 and watch 8 weeks na watch. And then my phone because and what check. More check.
Captain Smart.
A contract. More check. Abro check. Commander check.
He is smart.
Because fact is the commander. 8 weeks. Woman, 8 weeks let me baba asemi we so amro bosu mienu.
Ghana for.
Woman say another 8 weeks, 16 weeks, omu we report no. MPP for this Mexico.
Ehoye me hepa sa boy be.
Na NDC for no soje.
MPP ni.
MPP for this Mexico.
Ehoye me hepa sa boy be.
Na NDC for no soje.
MPP ni.
Akaho.
Captain Smart.
Commander hene nana wada Roma.
Morning shows.
Decision be able taken ame mo support.
So.
Menyu be yen so mo fine.
So.
Commander Edna Egwafu Abrem constituency.
So.
And when I watch the constituency mu nyina decision be able taken ame mo support one.
So.
Menyu wonu so be ye.
So.
Captain Smart.
Peter.
The king.
President John Dramani Mahama. Yeswa ni in wie no kan say mo bia mfa rubber raw enkwa abrochire biom. Eno taske the Minister of Trade and Industry said make sure that raw rubber RR will not leave the shores of this country. Orie ya no san tasking the Finance Minister. Honorable Kwabena Ato Kazel Forsen say make sure fakwa budget nim ema obia emfa raw rubber emfri Ghana hanko because say your rubber factories makomako enwotwe ena ba ko agu ena ba ko so aye fun nti aka 6 a omo process rubber na Kwame Nkrumah na started do aye in Western region no make sure so obia emfanko enti Kazel Ato Forsen e de share budget na o kind in November nim
Ehoye me hepa sa boy be. MPP ni.
I think Sir John Mahama here more. And we all got to rise and help him. I'm telling you.
Mahama ba ma bronya ba. Mahama ba ma bronya ba. Hooray!
Peter, Robana President Akasameyen Fankono, $200,000 in tea. Per inti. Ghana is losing millions of dollars. When are you in charge of rubber? Oh, Ghana. Monday, you had a raw rubber. If you Ghana, Echo China. and a rubber no kwan echo. There, ye cry woman say. And this in penny for catch the MPP Nina Mahama bon this aquada rubber and say, Jimino, I can say to hell with the president. Order the rubber echo. And a factory now, a work room hana will hear rubber no warbre. Na rubber echo China. Parliamentary Select Committee on Trade and Industry. Akwa akoshe. Akwa catch that one say. Adeya mu ye nyo. Munjai. Na mo ma factories na wo krom hana here rubber no. Enya rubber no fanya product no. E wo krom na ne bo nya fo. Akwa na oye MPP ni na Mahama abondin. So nkwada rubber no say to hell with you the president.
Razi, my MPP biara onya ahobrase.
MPP for the Triasico. Na NDC for no soldier. MPP for the Triasica. Na NDC for no soldier. And now we need to find a very beautiful way to set Captain Smart up. Can you set me up? Ha! Let's find a nice way to set him up. What bodam?
Wait, Bini, ow!
Now, the amendment that category of whom I did. I know what would they say the mobile phone be something I want to say. And it say no, rubber industry no, a good. Meanwhile, 24-hour economy, no, Your Excellency, and rubber industry no grab it me start 24-hour economy no amount because it's already in existence. Eti mafe nipa on me point juma 4. Mumfa another group or me transfer from 4 to time on so be 24-hour economy. They say rubber no echo. Abante be order they say friend Andy.
Oh, I don't know.
Andy.
Wani.
Mahama, what do you tell now? Na man microphone that down. But your COVID levy, president in science say, Yakem. And Rami call airport, Yajimi COVID levy. But your go there. But you can't kill the Kokan Koibra. Bless John, catch us on fire at the end of Yajimi COVID levy. MP before the dress go. Then this is for the soldier. And run airport. Who baby a parking car no. Ticket now what no. COVID levy that was so. Meanwhile, a law. I'm a president has signed. I'm a your own press conference and you trap pictures. See a chem. Hey, it's a lie. Yeah, do COVID levy. And run. Yeah, kofa ba the better.
Near Sheshe and Sa Eku Apostle no so, the Apostle no be.
Miss me, yes, sure. Oh, yeah, and I'm a person who are watching you or send me Cassa. Ah, somebody call one. What two was no what tea. What fun away when you buy me. I'm a Sabbath say, Cassa, why are they? But so I just saw when you see me who are. Maybe one more when you see me who. Remember more stories. More when you know why more. Because any honey, you're from Christmas fee.
Mina Ghana need you. Because they said the one we never have president. Mina Ghana need you. Ghana for Musorio.
But COVID levy, no. And I enjoy Mafia. It's Your Excellency. Airport, you have COVID levy.
Pilate said unto them,
oh, yeah, that I really thought to you. Oh, Jesus, gorgeous.
Ubia, who call airport and ra. Who pack a car. Your man receipt in the shadow. The COVID means what? Who are we deceiving?
Oh, yeah,
now you rob us so I can't come her. Come, let's show. Mafia, hwɛ sɛ kenkan hɛ efi ha baby a total no wono ase ho no kan sɛ covid levy ni hɔ a me resign me adwuma bi mu
Tonfo, ena mo so.
Total no baba ase ho
NHIL National Health Insurance Levy
0.41 and a get fund levy 0.41
hwɛ twɛn
covid
me kopa chemical and also health insurance for home
Captain Smart.
me kwa kopa kika
Morning shows.
Ewa airport health insurance no dem o me car tie na se man ko aduane man ko ye hwe man ko ba bia the tax ato ho enti health insurance ama me to car eco park wo airport ye me health insurance ko
get fund levy 0.41
get fund mpo de enye hwe education is everywhere so no problem.
COVID levy 0.6.
Muya mo dada and say mo say start in January. Now, into president is signing, you know, anytime a president signs anything, that thing becomes a law. Into a lawyer for the when this no mo ana. But your COVID levy anymore.
0.16.
SSO. And the law.
So I didn't ready. Chairman President in sign.
And the law.
I did change your law. I shall say.
And the
law. What my dear law? We president in such as here.
And the law.
See, I repeat
the law is the law.
Yeah, that's it. Who you are about the catch say, oh, yes, see, imagine in January.
Wait. SSO.
Huh?
And the law.
What's it?
Is the law.
Let me quote you, pass
the law.
Okay.
Trade Minister. Check a rubber industry. No.
When?
Okay.
Can I Akufo-Addo.
When?
Check a rubber factory. No.
What is your name?
What is going on there?
What is your name?
My catch was a buying way, me mean Tauman and say, because o present a beer and chromo assassins if you declare results. Me, I'm sorry, waha. If you don't know, I'm telling you. Present a beer and Ghana, order na who ordain, and in the BBR to because of John Mahama. Me, I'm here. NDC present a squad of Musro. NDC present a squad of Musro. I'm here. It's a buying way. Yeah, ma oprobia me fa baby a woman konkodi.
He is a boy.
Now one say abayno.
Obi is a boy.
Bon kwa rubber factory or no mun busa. Industry players they say what is happening. Saso ne so asene de fa ba so bremo. Me mapon. O ma ba.
8 sini. John Mahama 8 8